Homeownership is stressful enough. Your maintenance plan shouldn't be. That's why we created the Iron Horse Advantage membership, to help take the worry off your plate and reduce the risk of costly breakdowns. As a member, you get 2 HVAC visits every year. In the spring, we get your system summer ready, including a coil cleaning designed to handle Arizona's extreme heat. In the fall, we return for a full inspection to make sure everything is still running safely and smoothly for the winter months. You'll also receive a plumbing safety inspection, plus a water heater drain, helping catch small issues early and extend the life of your system. And when something unexpected does come up, membership still works in your favor. You get priority scheduling, no dispatch fees, and member-only savings, so you're taken care of faster and at a lower cost. Plus, with our Spend It Again program, what you've spent on repairs over the last 12 months becomes your own savings account, rolled into additional discounts toward system replacement if and when you need it. Less stress, fewer surprises, and comfort you can count on. Join the Iron Horse Advantage today, because when it comes to your home, we're fast, fair, always there, only at Iron Horse Plumbing and Air. Sign up today at ironhorseair.com